In this video we will look at card jams after the delamination process. First, the front side of the card is printed on the film. This is then transferred onto the card. Delamination is occurring during the second side of the transfer. The thin film on the card is coming off and sticking to the NTM film. The printer cannot peel the NTM or the thin plastic on the card, so they stick together. The sound you are hearing is the rollers trying to move the card in one direction while the NTM is pulled in the other. Some technology cards may require adjustments to work properly. Go to your control panel, find Devices and Printers, right-click on the HDP6600 card printer, then click Printing Preferences. Go to the Advanced Settings. Then go to Duplexing and select Dual-Sided Card. Now go to Card and select Fargo UltraCard Premium. Select Image Transfer and deselect the default card settings so that you can set your own transfer settings. Set the transfer offset temperature to -35 and set the dwell time for front side to 2.3 and back side to 1.7. Click OK. Now click File on the menu. Then click Save Changes and Exit. These settings will work with most technology cards. Here are some other settings to try if the previous ones didn't work well. Right-click on the HDP6600 card printer, then click on Printing Preferences. Click on Advanced, then Utilities. Click Internal Printer Settings and click Edit Setting on the top right. First, you need to adjust Transfer Top of Form. Add +10 to this value. This setting will move the card slightly forward during the transfer process. This will prevent the heated roller from touching the leading edge of the card. Scroll down and change the next value. Change the transfer heat dissipation level to 4. This runs an internal fan located in the transfer area and disperses heat from the card. Go to Transfer Cooling Delay and change this to 10. This setting will put a pause of 10 seconds between the front and back side transfer. Click on Save Settings. The printer will beep 3 times to confirm the changes. You can now close this window.